Oblalotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today, I would like to discuss some situations and see how each one of us would use different strategies to stimulate our vagus nerves in different situations. There is no right or wrong answers. So, I'll discuss a situation, share my strategy to the situation, and then I would like for you to discuss it with your partner and tell your partner what would you do if you were in that situation. I think it sounds really fun. Let's try. Let's talk about being bored. So imagine if you're at home or in school and you feel really bored. What would you do to stimulate your vagus nerve in this situation? Tell your partner what would you do when you feel bored. I think I would sing it out and entertain myself if I feel bored. I really like to sing when I'm bored, when I'm at home and I have nothing to do. So I put YouTube on and I sing it out and I feel like it's fun. And then I'm less bored. Let's see another situation. Clearly, the kid wants something and mom seems to be busy. If I was that kid, I think what I need to do is take a deep and slow breath just to calm myself down and be patient till my mom gets done with her phone call. What would you do if you are agitated and frustrated and you need something? Talk it out with your partners. Okay, let's move on to a different situation. In this situation, it seems like the woman is really angry and she's yelling at her partner or whoever the person is, a sibling or I don't know. But she seems like angry and yelling. What do you think she needs at this point? Or what do you think she needs to do to calm her vagus nerve so that she could feel better and she could relax and calm down her anger? If I was her and I was angry and I was yelling, I think I need a moment. And I know what helps me when I am angry. That's exposure to cold. Cold showers I'm not a fan of, but I know when I'm angry, washing my face with ice cold water and taking cold showers really help me calm my anger down. So that's what I would do. Share it with your partner. What would you do to calm your anger? Are you ready to move on to our last situation? Look at this mama. She's working and she is handling 2 kids. She looks pretty overwhelmed. What would you do if you are multitasking and you are overwhelmed and stressed? In situations like these, some kind of movement helps me. Either going for a walk or maybe exercising my neck or exercising my hands and some hand movements. I think that would really help me relax my vagus nerve and I think I'll be able to focus better and multitask better. What would you do in an overwhelming situation? Share that with your partner. Did you share your answers with your partner? Were they the same answers or there were like some situations where your answers were different than your partner's answer? And if they were different, then that's totally okay because every situation is unique to every individual. Where I would feel like maybe taking a deep breath is a good idea. Somebody might feel better by drinking cold water or washing their face with cold water or just singing it out. Every person has their own way of managing stress, their anger, but just remember all those healthy ways to manage your stress and anxiety by stimulating your vagus nerve is all acceptable. You could exercise, you could do some hand movements and some neck movements, you could sing it out, you could hum, and you could sing it out in your head, and then maybe a walk would help. So, these are some ways that you could use in different situations to calm yourself. Let me know what helps you the most. Time for some announcement and reminders. Remember, on Friday, November 11th, kindergarten to 7th grade can play basketball and get a book. It's free to play and free to watch. So what date it is? 11th November, Friday. That's today. Yes. And it starts at 5:30 and the doors open at 5:15. And the next reminder is for our high schoolers. Our upcoming eligibility for regionals is November 14th. And so make sure your grades are up, there's no failing grades, and at least 80% attendance and at least 2.0 GPA. The next eligibility check is on December 16th for the first basketball game. So keep up your grades. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a fabulous Friday.